Hey guys, this is an out-of-the-box review of a Hogan Decimeater silencer. It is, well, it's insane. We tried it in the gun shop with various of the silencers, from the original Daystate silencer, which does look the best, I must give them that, you know, full carbon, looks lovely, from 50 quid up to 120, I think. The Hogan Decimeater was the quietest. It doesn't look too bad either, just looks like a silencer. It's, well, you can't go wrong with it. It's handmade in the UK, as is my Daystate Huntsman classic air rifle. Mine's a 2.2, and I'm going to show you with the silencer on and without. I'm not going to talk in between, so it's going to be easy to compare. I'll put all the timings in the profile as well, so in the description, sorry, so you can chop and change between the two, and you're going to be able to hear the difference. It is massive. It's £50 or around £50 from your local gun shop. Do get them to get it in if they haven't got it already, because it is insane. Right, here goes. I'll show you. I'll just remove this. There is nothing in there. I have tried it before, but just so you're aware, the gun is not loaded. I am firing it in a house, but it's dry firing. Anyway, listen to this. Silencer was safety was on, which is always a good thing. Safety is now off, ready to fire. Big differences, big differences. Now, like I say, this is an out-of-the-box review. I haven't tested it in the field yet, but from testing it in the gun shop and in the house, it is insane. Like I said before, if your gun shop doesn't stock this, make sure they do, because it is very good. I highly recommend it. I mean, Hogan Firearms Decimeater. I don't get paid to do this review. I am not going to get paid to do this review. I am reviewing it because it's just baffling how much of a difference this makes. This is going to make shooting for me a hell of a lot easier, and it's going to make it more enjoyable. I'm going to come back with more kills, and that's going to make just everything a lot better. It's going to make the farmer happier, and it's going to make me, well, more full really, because I'm going to be eating a bit more meat. We got a couple of pigeons with this Daystate Huntsman the other day, and you know, it worked very well. Can't say anything bad about it. But the difference that silence is going to make, that's going to be double or triple the amount that we took home the other day. It's going to be good, and even if you miss, it's going to make it so that you can get another shot off. And I think for 50 quid, that just makes it... Anyway, I can't say anything bad about it. I've not tested it, but the difference, just out of the box, it's very good. Check it out. Go into your gun shop, try a load of silencers, bring your gun in so that you can hear the difference it's going to make on yours. But go into your gun shop, try them out, and I'm not going to guarantee you'll buy one, but you're going to buy one. Anyway, see you later.